Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is mushroom fried quinoa rice. Quinoa is a green crop grown primarily for its edible seeds as a pseudo-cereal, not a true cereal. Quinoa is closely related to species such as beetroot and spinach. Quinoa was domesticated for human consumption in the South America region about 3,000 years ago. High in protein and lack of gluten, quinoa is considered a superfood and is very popular among people who are on vegan or gluten-free diet here in the U.S. The United Nations General Assembly declared 2013 as the International Year of Quinoa. Quinoa is being considered a possible crop in NASA's Controlled Ecological Life Support System for long-duration human-occupied space flights. Now, before we start, let's take a look at what we need for the dish. Here's the list of ingredients. Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of ingredients. 2 cups cooked quinoa rice. Previously, I did a show on how to cook quinoa rice. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. 1 cup, approximately 4 ounces, frozen young soybean kernels, defrosted, young soybean kernels also called edamame. 4 ounces onion, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. 4 ounces carrot, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. 1 ounce dry shiitake mushroom, rehydrated, cut into small pieces like corn kernel size. You can save the mushroom water for stock for another dish. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 ounce sliced almond, toasted until lightly browned. We finished the preparation and now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or medium to high heat for a gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute, the oil is hot. Now we're going to cook mushroom for 1 minute. It's been a minute since we add mushroom. Now we're going to add onion and garlic to cook for 2 minutes until the garlic is lightly brown. It's been 2 minutes. The garlic is lightly brown. Now we're going to add carrot, edamame, and salt to cook for 5 minutes until the carrot is soft. It's been 5 minutes. The carrot is soft. Now we're going to add quinoa rice to cook for 2 minutes until the rice is mixed well with all ingredients. It's been 2 minutes. The quinoa rice has been mixed well with all the ingredients. I just turn off the heat and just spread the roasted almond on the top. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Let's have a quick review of what we done. I hope you will enjoy this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking! I look forward to seeing you again very soon.